Hey guys, listen to this. We're running on. We're going to do an experiment today, right? This is what it's all about. We're on about propulsion today. Today's a propulsion day. Have you ever done propulsion days? If you've got a boat or anything like that and you're thinking to yourself, I want to get around quick and I want to get around cheap. I've had petrol engines before. They smell and all sorts of stuff like that, and they leak fuel and everything else, and it's just a nightmare. And sometimes they don't really run that well either, to be honest. Let's be honest, they don't really run that well. Look at that boat there. Let's have a look at this. It's like Wind in the Willows. Anyway, let's have a look. Wind in the Willows. So what we've got here today, can you see that, folks? We've got not one, but two electric engines. I've only just fired it up, and we've come a long way already, and I've not even tried this one here. Can you see this, folks? See this engine? We've not even tried this yet. So the plan is, I'm going to keep that static. I'm going to keep that second engine static, and we're going to open it up a little bit now and see how it behaves. So here we go. Oh my goodness me, I tell you what, breakneck. Oh crikey. You can see that, folks? I tell you what, we're motoring. I tell you, it's getting hard to control this thing. It's going that fast. It's a bit. Look at that. It works off the tiller. You can connect it to your steering, but what's the point? It's more agile doing it on the tiller. You can do 360 degrees and all that sort of stuff. Look how easy this is. I'm not joking. This thing's flying down the canal. I think we're going a bit too quick, to be honest. I think what I might do, because some guys over there, let's see what they think of this. Hold on, we'll flip it over. There we go. There we are. There we go. That's what I want. It's ears.
Just go this thing.
What?
Quite quick this.
That's what I mean. He's Christina. He's on board today.
Right. I've got the looks of the baby.
Elliot. Hi mate, how you doing? Oh, sailing through here. Some nice graffiti out there if you like that sort of thing. Doesn't half make a difference with that engine like that. Yeah, so the thing is, it's better. Two electric engines, so manoeuvrable, it's unrealistic. I tell you, I'd recommend twin electric engines. I wonder what it's like with four. I reckon 4 engines. 4 engines would be fantastic. I reckon I could do it though. Oh, there's that boat. I remember that a few years ago. So anyway, we're powered on 110 amp calcium batteries times 2, and we've got 2 electric engines. One's 40 pound thruster and the other one's 68 pound thruster. That's what we're doing. That's all we are. You see, the water carries the weight, so it's only a case of using the engines to propel you along. It's as easy as that. None of this big chunky things on the back. I'm not playing that game. Alright, mate. Let's go and see how manoeuvrable it is as well in a minute. Well, look, there's a chair there. And that's alright if you want to rest. I reckon someone's fallen down that hole. That's why there's the chairs there. Oh yeah, there's a boat coming. Oh, we'll have to film this. I tell you. I reckon get to Bursk in about 10 minutes at this rate. We've got a bit of a wind as well today. It's blowing across the bow. We've got this boat coming straight ahead. But we're alright, we're doing well. Once this boat's gone, I'm going to do a manoeuvre test. We'll do a 360-degree test and see how that manages. So if you're thinking about swapping your old petrol engine from the electric one, definitely get 2 engines. One engine's alright, but it's not good enough. Not for the size of this vessel anyway. Here we are. Catching up to this guy. Closing in. Hiya. Hiya. You alright? Yeah, you. Oh, tell you what, mate, that stinks. That's the thing I don't miss about petrol or diesel engines, and the noise. I mean, I'm going across here, no problem. And when I get past these reeds in a second, I'm going to swing it round. See how it does. Let's have another look. You can see that, folks. Get round past these reeds. There's a duck there. I think that bit there, that nice little dip, will be perfect. Right, shut it down to that section. Right, we're going to do a 360. We're going to do a 360, folks. Whoa! Hold on to your underpants. We're swinging right round. Look, no hands. This is how capable. Look at that. Amazing. Can't beat that, folks. Anyway, hope you like this show, and leave your comments below and all that. If you want any more information, let me know and I'll let you know. Thanks very much for watching, folks. Don't forget, electric engines, probably the future. And I'll show you a quick shot before I go. Oh! Look at that, flying through the air.